Hello everyone, this is ASM Kausar. Once again, in this tutorial I am going to tell you a step-by-step process how to reset an internet connection TP-Link router. If you see this video, you must be set up and connection your internet TP-Link router. Let's go start. Also see this your router reset button. If you type push the reset button, your router be reset. Minimum 10 seconds. Push the button. After then, you also find your router username and password. Go to and connection your router brand point. Let's and type an interface Google TP-Link logging. When you search, you also see this option TP-Link router login. Type an interface here. After then, you also click this option, second option 192.168.0.admin. Click into the here. When you click, you also find your router username and password. You collect your router provider, asked him which is username and password. Maximum router username and password admin. After then, type login. When you log in this site, you also see this option, your router. Quick setup. Click into here. When you click, you also see this option, next button. Click into the next button. When you click next button, you also see wireless router. Select wireless router. Click into here. When you click, after then you interface next button. Click into the next option. Click. And also quick setup, processing setup, and select I also recommend you also select this option. Click into here and also select it. After then type an interface next option. It is very important, username and password, confirm password. Type your username or IP name. After then you also press next button. Click into here, click here. interpress next button. You also see your username and password. If you interpress this button, save option, your internet connection available your phone. Thanks for watching this video.